Hey guys, we're getting thunderstorms right now. The weather has changed. It was nice and sunny this morning and now it's raining. So yeah, today's Thursday, May 14th, 2020. We're getting rain right now, and I also heard a little bit of lightning a couple minutes ago upstairs. I think you guys may have heard that. I think that was a thunder. So yeah, we're getting thunderstorms right now. It was nice this morning. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah. It's raining pretty hard out there. Aww, got a squirrel. See you guys in the next video.